Many of the supplements out there today do not disclose the minerals that they contain. I want to talk about this mineral supplement. This is a fulvic acid-based product similar to Shilajit. Shilajit is fine, I guess. Shilajit is a fulvic supplement, except with Shilajit, nobody actually gives you a list of the minerals that are contained. They chip it out of rock and then they refine it and then they tell you it's a fulvic material with minerals, and that's fine. I mean, they're chipping it out of rock. It is fulvic. It does have minerals. This tells you exactly what it has inside of it, and I like that. That's why I picked this as a supplement, a mineral supplement, a fulvic supplement, to replace the minerals in my body that I leach out by constantly drinking nothing but reverse osmosis water. It is essentially distilled water coming out of my machine. I've tested it about 6 parts per million. So to all purpose, it is 100% pure water. That is not really good for you. It leaches the minerals that are in your body out of your body, and somehow they need to be replaced if you want to feel good. I got my minerals. I got a few nutrients. I don't know if you can see them or not on the table. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this to this. And then I'm going to take these. First, shake it up. That was much louder than I expected it to be. Clear liquid. Tastes like nothing. Almost choked on that one. I feel so much healthier now.